me, Roger.
Oh, I'm sorry, but what are you doing here?
I'm getting ready for our cooking show. Did you forget?
Uh-oh. No, I remember. Sure. Cooking show. Let's go.
Okay, so what are we cooking today, Rod?
I'll be making ice cream using chocolate eggs. Look at these. They'd make great ice cream.
Wow, you know I'm obsessed with chocolate eggs. Can I have a small bite? Pretty, please.
Okay, Sammy. Here you go. Now we need to break our eggs into small pieces, just like that.
I need more.
Let's save it for the cake.
Only for a cake, though.
Now we need to melt our chocolate.
Call me when you're done. This is for robbing me of chocolate.
And just like that, it's melted. Let's mix it up. What sort of mold are we gonna use, Sammy?
My favorite chocolate bears, of course.
Okay, chocolate bears then. Now we'll just fill them up. Here we go. Gently, slowly, without leaving any gaps.
It looks so delicious. I can barely control myself.
Haha! I hear you, Sammy! But let's still focus on cooking and not eat all the chocolate. Just like that, done! But it's like something's missing.
Got it. I have 3 sprinkle options here, but I can't decide which works best. Help me out, please.
Why choose one when we can use them all?
Rudge, you're a genius!
Well, thank you, Sammy. Now let's get to the sprinkles. There you go. A little more sprinkles, stars. Now let's get different sprinkles. They're very cute. Sprinkle it all over this chocolate bear, like this. And that bear as well.
Hey, I've got more sprinkles here. Check this out.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Well, let's see what we got here. That's just what we need. Look at the colors. I am looking forward to trying the ice cream. And here's our final type of sprinkles. Looks like fun. Sprinkle it here and spread it carefully so there are no blank spots. There we go. Phew, I think we're finally done.
Huh? But it's not ice cream, Raj. It isn't even cold.
I mean, we're done with the sprinkles. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Okay, into the freezer you go. See you in a few. Here comes the ice cream.
Hurry up, Roger. I can't wait. I need to taste it.
Be patient. We're almost done. Now let's take our bears out very carefully so they don't break. There we go. It looks very nice and tasty. And now the star bear, my favorite. Slow and steady. And there's our star bear. It's starting to melt. We need to start eating bears as soon as possible. Quick, let's get the rest of the bears. Wow, those sprinkles look great.
I can't stand it any longer. I'm starving.
Okay, to the next one.
Can I try this, Roach, please?
All right, Sammy, here you go. Wait, at least save a little bit for me too.
I'm full. No, I need more ice cream, Raj.
Okay, dokie, Sammy. What do you say to that?
Holy waffles! These eggs are bigger than me. Yum, yum.
Wait, that's for the recipe. Ouch! Stop biting me.
Those are my eggs now. Sorry, this episode's over.
No, Sammy.
Stay back! Don't worry, my precious ones. I'll protect you.
Are you sure?
Huh?
Come here, little slime. Now, while Sam is busy, we can stop making our ice cream.
Yay!
That big egg will make a lot of ice cream. Let's crack open it, just like that. Wow! Now we have to crumble it into small pieces. Follow my lead. Nice. Now let's repeat with the other eggs. We're done. Oh, hi, Sammy.
Hi, Raj. Huh? What? How dare you? Hey, come here. Hey!
Sammy, calm down. It's okay. It's for your ice cream.
Fine.
I'll let you go. Keep it together. Ah! Not cool! Okay, it's time to melt some chocolate.
Come on! Ugh.
All right, our chocolate is melted and ready to pour.
Grr! You broke my eggs, boy!
Sammy, stop it, I know it's you!
Sorry, Roach. I think my rage is gone now.
Thanks to Sam, we have a mold. Now let's pour the chocolate in it. That's it. Just don't spill chocolate on the table. We can't afford to lose even a drop. And now, let's spread the chocolate all over the mold with a spoon. Let's not forget the sides of our mold. It's important. Spread carefully and slowly. Now, let's add the most important ingredient. Guess what this is? It's an ice cream! Let's scoop some ice cream with this special spoon. Yum. And now let's put the ice cream into the melted chocolate. I can't stop just on one scoop for sure. Here we go!
When will it be ready? I'm so hungry!
Soon, Sammy. Just hold on for a bit. We must spread the ice cream evenly in the mold, like this. And on the bear's ears, too. Now it's time for some nuts. Hi-ya! Prepare yourselves, you nuts. That's it, nuts. More like nut sprinkles.
Ouch! Chill out, Raj. Hey, my hat! Ouch!
Last one? Yeah, finally. Now for the ice cream. Sprinkle our nut sprinkles over the mold. Don't worry, it won't be too much. And top it off with the rest of the melted chocolate. Yummy.
Okay, call me when the ice cream's ready, Raj.
It's now. The giant ice cream bear is done.
Finally! I just found the perfect stick for our ice cream.
Thank you, Sammy. We use this cutting board to get our bear from the mold. So let's get started. Very carefully. We should try not to break the chocolate or melt the ice cream inside. Whoa, cool!
This is mind-blowing.
Now, let's put the popsicle stick in. I hope it works. And it's done! Awesome! Look at our ice cream bear!
I'm so hungry. Give it to me now.
No, wait, what about me? Sam, that's not fair. I want ice cream too.
I saved some for you, so don't worry, Roach.
Is that what you call saved? Oh well. Anyway. Wow, that was so yummy, but not enough. I'm gonna go make some more. And you friends, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Bye.